Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you this very intense detox water recipe that cleanses my system from the inside, helps me lose several pounds in no time. Like if you're looking to maintain a healthy body size without belly fat, live a healthy life, stick around and I'll share with you this recipe and you will love and see results so fast. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first thing I use is lemon. That is because lemons contain a lot of good acids. Those good acids are to burn the bad acids, causing gassiness, bloating, constipation, making you have that bloated big belly, slowing down your metabolism as well. That way you don't lose weight or burn fat so fast. So this cleanses all the bad acids and activates your system to burn fat so fast. So you just want to get one lemon slice and set aside. The second ingredient I use is apple. Apples are very detoxifying, very cleansing, alkalizing in nature to form a disease fighting barrier in your system, cleanse your organs, leave your liver in a very good state to detox your system for you and burn fats. Like this activates your system, most especially your liver, to do the cleansing for you, because liver is actually what does that cleansing. And so your liver loves some apples and it will activate your apples to your liver. The apples will activate your liver to burn the fats, detox your system for you. So this is one apple sliced. Make sure you wash your apples with vinegar and water or baking soda, so you don't put dirt or bacteria in your system. I'll be using half a cucumber. Cucumbers are very good for detox because they support your system with a lot of hydration to detox itself. They are alkalizing as well to activate your system to detox itself. Very cleansing as well. Like this is very good. So I'll be using half a cucumber. You just want to get sliced into some good sizes that you can easily like get them in your detox bottle. This is very good. The peel of the cucumber is very loaded with chlorophyll, which is very cleansing. So all these ingredients put together are very detoxifying, very cleansing, very medicinal all together. So yeah, this is it. Slice up into some little sizes and set aside. Yeah, so the next thing I'll be adding in here will be orange. Oranges, very cleansing as well, most especially everything with the peel. The antioxidants in orange is what I love so much, loaded with a lot of antioxidants to activate yourself to cleanse itself. Antioxidants help to fight the effects of free radical damage, slowing down your metabolism, causing metabolic disorder, and making you not to easily burn fats. So this is to activate your system as well as boost your immune system as well, so your system can be so active to burn fat so fast. Like this is so good. So this is one orange sliced and set aside. Equally use grapefruits as well, very cleansing, very detoxifying. Trust me, if you want to burn some of that fat so fast, fall in love with grapefruits. They have those good acids as well to help you burn the bad acids. Very fat burning, very cleansing, plus they make you love this water. They bring in that beautiful flavor in here, and this thing tastes so yummy because of the grapefruit as well in here. Like I love me some grapefruit. So you want to get your grapefruits, slice into some good little sizes that can get into your bottle, and you're good to go. Very fat burning, very detoxifying, very cleansing, and we are using everything with the peel. So I just slice in the middle so it fits into my bottle. Whatever shapes you want, that is fine by you, but I just need all this in here. Very cleansing and very detoxifying. So this is it. So colorful, will bring in different kinds of nutrients into your detox water, cleanse you real good, and so yummy as well. So I'll be adding in some mint leaves in here. They are very detoxifying, encourage weight loss by boosting your metabolism as well, activating your system to burn fats, plus bringing in some flavor in your water. So this makes you want to drink a lot of water, and we all know the benefits of drinking water. Water helps with digestion, plus these other ingredients in here. So I'll tell you the benefits at the end, but I'll be adding some ginger in here. You can't do this without adding a little bit of ginger to help with the fat burning. Ginger is very thermic to heat up your system to burn fat. You need it in here. Very detoxifying, very good anti-inflammatory ingredient to help with the gassiness in your tummy, bloating, constipation, cleanse the tummy real good from the inside, and activate your system to burn fat so fast. So you want to get the thumb size of ginger, chop into some little sizes that you can actually really get the juice from your ingredients infused in the water. You see what I'm trying to do? This helps to really get all the juice infused in your water without using the actual juice. So this is my bottle. I love this. Is 2 liters and I drink like 2 liters. So get this bottle for yourself. That way you drink 2 liters of water a day. And just imagine this kind of 2 liters of water a day. 2 liters of water that is fortified to cleanse your system, burn fat for you. If you're at home, you want to drink in your cups, you can equally save in a cup like this and drink. This gives me like 3 liters of water, and just imagine a day of a water like this. Like this is your water for that day. It will help you burn fat, cleanse your system, like detox you and activate your system to burn fat, help you get rid of metabolic disorders, and activate your system to burn fat so fast. This turns your system into a fat burning machine and activates your system to be very active. So, and gives you energy, because when your system is not clean, not detoxified, you are so sluggish and so lazy. Like this activates your system to be so active and very clean and healthy. So yeah, these are the ingredients. You basically need to put all the different ingredients in the cups, like separate the ingredients, all the orange, cucumber, lemon, grapefruit, orange, and ginger, the mint, like just put in the different containers and fill with water. So as I mentioned earlier, this my bottle is 2 liters of water, and that is the minimum you can have for the day. 2 liters of water, and I told you the benefits. You can fill some in your cup, and you can refill this after you drink. You can refill. So if you want to drink, or your system can take more than 2 liters of water or more than 3 liters, go ahead and refill the bottle. You see, this is where I drink. I love this bottle. I'll see if I can link you up so you can get one for yourself. That way you are obliged, you are obligated to drink that quantity of water you need a day, plus fortifying it this way to help your system so active to burn fat and so activated. I can't reiterate enough. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all flush out the toxins, bad fats in the system, and stay in shape, stay healthy for the rest of our lives. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.